Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Tishpal. Well, we are going to learn phrasal verbs. There are 10 phrasal verbs given in everyday lesson. Today we have got 10 phrasal verbs. Well, first one is catch up with, that the meaning is that go ahead. I mean, carry on, right? Or catch out defines to out in the cricket when out of 11 players, if one player is out, being caught caught or by a ball by the player, then it is called catch out. Right. Normally, catch out defines over here in the cricket field when catch taken by one player after being bat by someone on the field, then it is called catch out. Cheer up means appreciate. When you appreciate something or concentrate to appreciate, then it is called cheer up, right? Or when you feel happy, then it is also called cheer up. When you start with happy moments, it's also called cheer up. Clear away means throwing away or omitting a particular portion, right? Clear off means relieve when you get relaxed yourself or relieve yourself is called clear off, right? Relieve defines in this condition. Clear off means when you are getting relieved from material objects, right? The purpose of giving or taking policy. Clear out means leave. I mean, when you leave away from a particular place, that is called clear out. Or leave the portion of your transaction, it is also called clear out. Close with means admit. When you admit or acknowledge something is called close with. Cloud over means uncleared. When somebody doesn't understand the meaning that you are expressing or enunciating is called uncleared. Come about means present. When you are not absent is called come about. When meeting someone in a particular place is also called present. Come across means meet by chance. When you are meeting not in a particular object to meet, but while crossing or meeting without taking time or without giving information to someone is called meet by chance. Well, friends, let me give some meaning in terms of writing. If I write catch up with, you must catch up with this job. So here catch up with means you must continue with this job. But if I say giving the meaning of second sentence, that batsman was caught up by him. Right. Now cheer up. We all cheered up the occasion. Clear away. He had to clear away the case. Clear off. I was not cleared off by him. Now clear out. Are you clearing out this portion? Number 9, close with. He is about to close with that matter. Now cloud over, I was clouded over the case. Come about means present. I saw that he came about in the occasion. Number 10, come across. She came across my mother yesterday. Well, friend, I have written all the meanings of these phrasal verbs, giving the sentences. I give the Hindi meaning of these sentences for your better understanding. Well, first one is catch up with, means go ahead, आगे बढ़ो. तो इसका you must catch up with this job. आपको इस काम के साथ में आगे बढ़ना जरूरी है. Catch out means out in cricket. क्रिकेट में बल्लेबाज को खेल से बाहर निकाल देना. That batsman was caught up by him. उस बल्लेबाज को कैच पकड़ के बाहर से मैदान से बाहर निकाल दिया. Cheer up, अप्रिशिएट करना, प्रशंसा करना. We all cheered up the occasion. हम लोग सब उस ओकेशन को खुशी या प्रशंसा जाहिर किया था. क्लियर है वो क्या मतलब होता है. और मीट इसका मतलब छोड़ देना. He had to clear away the case. उसको उस केस का उस आदमी को उस केस को छोड़ देना पड़ा. had to clear away means छोड़ देना पड़ा उस केस को. clear off मतलब रिलीव, राहत देना. I was not cleared off by him. मुझे उनके द्वारा राहत नहीं मिला. clear out, लीव, छुट्टी. Are you clear out this problem? क्या आप इस समस्या से छूट रहा है? छुट्टी. close with, admit. He is about to close with that matter. उसे उस मैटर को स्वीकार करते हुए देखा. क्लाउड ओवर मीन्स अनक्लियर्ड. आई वॉज क्लाउडेड ओवर द केस. मुझे उस केस में अस्पष्टता लगा. कम अबाउट प्रेजेंट, उपस्थित. आई सो दैट ही केम अबाउट इन द ओकेशन. उस ओकेशन में वो उपस्थित था. मैंने उसको देखा, जो मैंने देखा. कम अक्रॉस का मीट बाय चांस. ही केम अक्रॉस माई मदर यस्टरडे. उन्होंने कल मेरे मम्मी से संजोग से मिलने आया. थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.